Today we have 420 accessories for your rotary. Requirements, I use this for my 3D printing a lot. I 3D print here. If you guys notice, this is my 3D print shop. I use this a lot, so I keep this permanent in this room here just for that reason. Now, they give you every single accessory that's going to require. Right now, we're going to do, I do need it for another project. We're going to have to shave this aluminum a little bit down. So we're going to shave it just a little bit because it doesn't fit very well. We had to change it out, but I'm going to use this one right here. And the way it works on this one right here, you got to actually, it's easier on this one right here because, and I like that it comes with the accessory too. If you guys can see it, it's perfect for this kind of scenario because this is made for this one right here. So I'm going to loosen it up. Take this one apart because this is from an old one, so we got to take this one and we want to shave it down. So we're going to use this large one right here. This one we want to use, and what we want to use is make sure you get the larger one. We got plenty of options in here. I like this. That comes with a lot of options. So on this one right here, I'm going to show you how to loosen it up and tie it up. So loosen it up, you do it with the tool itself. There's a little flathead in there. Tie it up and it squeezes the whole thing and it kind of expands. That's what it does. And we find, I have an Allen wrench here. Put this in here. There we go. Now, put this in here. This is going to go back in here. I'm going to shave it down just a little bit. Put your safety on, glasses. All right, here it is, perfect fit now. It didn't want to fit before, and there it is.